Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep. I hope you all doing great this evening. And I recently made a new project that is e-commerce website. It's basically a gift commerce website. So let's just quickly start and I will show you how actually it works. So basically there are two actors. First one is user who can purchase a product. Second one is admin, or we can say the seller who can sell the product. So there is few functionalities available, like we can search product by their name, category, and even by price as well. Let's try to search this pen. And right now there are 6 products available as it's showing. So we have successfully searched and it's find the product. There is one product find. Let's try to purchase it. So it's asking to log in first. So let's try to log in. And before login, it would be great if we like add an product by seller account and then we try to purchase it. So let me quickly log in by seller account. I also added payment integration of PayPal. I will show that to you. So admin has few options available, like he can view profile of himself, view the orders, and he can log out as well, of course. He can view the users, view complaints, and also can solve the complaints, whatever problem may happen. He can add category, view category, he can add the product, and of course he can add the product. So let's try to quickly add a category. Uh, okay, so let's create a category name as book, and HSN code can be any category added. I hope it is added. So yeah, it's added. Book category is added. So let me add one of the book. So product name can be Swami Vivekanand book. Category we just added, that is books. Price, here all categories will be available, right? Whatever we add here. So let's just view. Price can be 1000. Let's add an image. I just downloaded image. So let me just quickly. Yeah. So here is the So description can be, it is one of the best book in the world. So I guess it will be added. Yeah, it's successfully added, guys. We will go through this like more options like adding and solving complaints. But before, let me try. Yeah, to adding product. Yeah, it's added. That's recently added. We can delete the product as well by clicking here. But let's not do this right now. Let's just log out and try to log in with user account. So let me log in. Even we can create a new account as well, but it will take a time. So why not let me just log in with the account I remember. General, I hope I created the right password. Uh, yeah, we have successfully logged in. So now, as you can see, right now there is 0 products added in the cart. So the options available to user is my profile, my orders, change password, and of course allow to go. So we will go through this, and here in the mode, he can send the complaint, he can view the pending complaints, and also view the solved complaint. So let's, yeah, this product is added. If we click on this one, it will take us to the product page. So yeah, it's looking awesome, I guess. So let's just add this product in the cart. As we do on Flipkart, Amazon, it works same. Like we need to add the product first. So here from 0 it will become 1. Let's see. Yeah, it's become 1. So let me add just one more product and then we will do the payment. Yeah, it's loaded successfully. Let me just add one more product. Actually, it's working a little slow because of too much validations I applied. So let me just add this Nokia mobile. It's loading and loading. Yeah. If you click on buy now, then directly there's no cart option will come and directly you can purchase the product. Yeah, so here we can increase the quantity as well. Like if you click on here, so hits 2, and also the quantity has been updated to 3 and price also. We can do 1. We can also remove the product and we can purchase 2 Nokia mobiles. So it's 34,000. So let's try to check out. So there is two options available. First one is cash on delivery and second one is online payment. You need to pay it by PayPal. So let's try to do payment by PayPal. It's looking, I guess, similar to the online website, right? So now it will ask me to account, login account. Let me just. So I wanted to tell you actually when we create an developer account, PayPal gives us this ID and password to the purchase. Uh, so let me just open. So yeah, here is the email ID. Let me just and here is the password. Let's just log in. I hope it will work. It's loading. It's the payment authentication. It's checking the user like email ID and password, everything. Yeah, takes a little time. It's on review your order page. So yeah, one Swami Vivekanand book and two mobiles. Yeah, so we are done. It's asking for 3G pin. I guess it doesn't matter. We can also cancel by clicking here, and if I click here it will cancel the transaction. So let's just not do this. Yeah, payment just got successful. So one book and one Nokia mobile. Let's just return to merchant, means our website. Yeah, it's payment successful. So as you can see here now it's showing 0 because all products we added to cart we successfully purchased, and when we go to orders it will show us to you like cart is empty right now. So in this way we can add the products and purchase it by PayPal integration. I can show it in orders as well. Like we just purchased. Yeah. So here is my order. So yeah. Swami Vivekanand one book and Nokia C24. We just purchased it on 27th of September, and payment is also success. Let me show you the last functionality I wanted to show you. It's a send complaint one. So everything is mentioned here, like first name, last name, time, date, everything, 6:55 p.m. and everything. Email ID. We just need to give the feedback. Uh, just we can say solve some boxes. Like, or whatever, we can write anything, right? Let's just send this feedback. Successfully filed a complaint. So we can view this complaint solved once it gets solved. Let me just show you the admin one. I guess admin got the complaint. Just user created. There are few more functionalities available, like admin can do the order, so he can change the status of the order, like it's been shipped, it's been picked up, has been created, everything. But that will make this video much longer. But if you want to see some more things what basically working in this video, then I will try to make one more video of that. Lastly, let's see, I guess functionality of complaint will be there here. Yeah, so view complaints. We just made a complaint on 657 or 656, I guess. Let's see. So yeah, 655 made a complaint, all some boxes it's lagging. So we can just click on reply here, and we can easily give response as well. Yeah. When we solve this complaint, it will get deleted from complaints and it will go to solve complaints. And same happen with user as well. It will shift from pending to solve. So here is the feedback, and I can reply yes, thanks for the as I said, like in the e-commerce website gave to us, like going on changing the password and everything. Like admin can't of course change the password from here. He can change it from admin panel, but user can change the password. User can do the complaint. When I click on solve complaint, definitely it will move on to the solve complaints we have just replied, and same happen with users as well. Thanks for, yeah, that's what all complaint is all about. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it for more projects. Thank you so much for watching.